And on Krusty's workbench we have a Marantz Model 1060 amplifier with a rather unusual fault. So I just thought I'd document it for myself and for you guys to see something a little bit different. As you know, I do specialise in restoring and overhauling these vintage audio amplifiers, and yeah, this one I think clearly is going to need a wee bit of work. It's pretty original on the inside, as you can see. But now the fault that it's got, I'll turn the power on and you can hear it for yourself. Hear that high pitch noise, high pitch frequency noise that's there. Hopefully the rain on the works, hopefully the rain doesn't completely destroy my video because it's only a tin roof. We'll see how we go. But yeah, it's, you know, when you turn the volume control up and down, it definitely changes with volume. It's not the power amplifier. I've isolated it by unplugging the pre-out power amp links at the back, so it's not the power amplifier. It's simply something within the preamp. And when you adjust the input selector, when you go to phono, it disappears. Go off phono and it's back. My initial thought was, okay, it's something in the power supply. We've got a power supply issue. We've got a cap that's maybe open or leaky or something weird going on there. And yeah, sure enough it is. It's definitely a power supply fault. There's a 28 and a 36 volt supply being filtered off J806 and J807. I've put some insulation tape over the fuse holders because the mains comes right in there, and don't really feel like getting an electric shock today. But if we go to J807, this is on AC by the way, if you're checking for ripple. That's the ripple on the 28 volt line. It's fine. If we go to the 35 volt line, we have almost a perfect square wave of half unrectified or unsmoothed DC coming off that supply rail. So yeah, so that's definitely not right. That should be like that. There should be almost a, you know, it shouldn't be that amount of ripple on there. So what it ended up being was a cap on the phono board. And I'll show you which one it is. So pretty much a 36 volt line gets regulated through the relay transistor, comes off there, and it's J806. So I thought initially it was that 330 mic cap, so I temporarily bridged another cap across it. Didn't really, it sort of altered it a little bit, but didn't get rid of the noise completely. But yeah, following the line from J806, it goes all the way up here goes up to J904, which basically feeds the supply rail to the collector of the output of this amplifier stage here, going down to here, and there's a 100 mic cap to ground. That cap is open. So that is the problem. That cap is completely open and dried out. So yeah, I initially thought it was that one there, but ended up being this one here was faulty. And to prove it, I'll put the amp on its side. I do apologise for the shaky video. It's trying to hold the phone in a rather precarious position at the same time. Now, where did I put my cap? Right. So got a brand new 100 mic cap here, and that capacitor is across these 2 points here. So if we bridge it, trying to do this while looking through the camera, of course. If we put it there, you can hear that the noise is gone. The oscillating is gone. So yeah, that's the problem. That cap is crook. I am starting to find these Nichicon caps are definitely starting to fail. I've had them go low in value and open, and I've had the electrolyte come out, and the legs get eaten off when all the crusty crap comes out. And there's some Nichicons down in the power supply. I can see them, so I'll definitely be giving this thing a recap. And yeah, And yeah, that's definitely going to solve the problem. So just thought I'd do a quick video on that, guys, and yeah, interesting fault. So all right, well, that pretty much going to end it here, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Cheers, guys.